Hello everybody, hello YouTube. So basically I left no videos of myself today explaining what I'm even doing. Right now I've just got to my newly rented container and I'm getting the Mini out of the van. What Mini might you ask? This one you're about to see in a second. Yeah, I found it in a farm on a whim and it was really cheap, so I thought I'd pick it up. But with that came, I didn't have anywhere to store it, I didn't have anywhere to restore it. So it's been stuck in my van for like 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. So here is a video of me getting it out of my van and into the container / building a dolly to do that with. Yeah, it's going to be a big long journey. Follow along for the ride if you want. If you don't. It's going to be no YouTube stuff, it's just going to be me building a car and try not to ruin it. Bye. Right, so I've made the dolly for the Mini. All 4 wheels, I think they hold 75 kilos each. Each of them have got a foot brake. Bit of chipboard on the bottom, or the top even. And now I'm going to have to try and get this out by myself. Hopefully the farmer might turn up and I'll have some help. And then I can give you a good look at it, because I've not even looked at it yet. Well, it's out. In the UK right now it's like 30 degrees. A bit sweaty. Well, there she is. This is the first time I've seen it sat upright. Absolutely knackered. This is the first time it's seen daylight in a while too. Been stuck in my van for about 2 weeks. Pedal box area is so small. I joked with my mate that I'd do a single middle seat, but it might have to be a thing now. Still can't believe I've got one. I've wanted one since I was a kid. Let's try and get it in the unit now. Well guys, this is it. She's in. Don't she look a beauty? In there for like 2 weeks by itself. And now she's in the container. Can't wait to get started on it. First things first, I need to board out the floor because the container's brand new. Literally on Friday. It's now Wednesday. So yeah, get up a desk in the back of here, sort the floor out, get some magnetic lights, and then I can start working on it. Obviously, to start with is going to be just the strip down. I think the dolly's going to work quite well, you know. Moves really easy in here. Oh, I'm just so excited. And this is the first time, like I said, I've only outside in a minute. The roof's really good condition. Metal too, I thought it was fiberglass. Right, well that's pretty much it for today. She's in. I can't believe I even got her in by myself, to be honest. I reckon it's going to take me a while to get used to filming and stuff, especially when there's people milling around. But I'm mainly doing it for memories, and also like, well, yeah, memories. I want to document it and show my progress, and you know, don't really have a clue what I'm doing, but you can always do anything if you put your mind to it. So yeah, I'll leave this one here, close her up, and I'll come back and start doing some other bits in a while. Peace. So before I forget, and in case anybody's interested, whoever is going to be watching this, it's just going to be a long couple of years of me building this Mini out. I think the plan is to go a bit race car-ish with it. I'm big into my bikes as well, so I'm going to get a hyabusa, 1.3 litre hyabusa engine, strip that down and put that in here, 1.3 litre with a turbo, just a couple of bucket seats, roll cage, you know, it's got some nice wheels, you know, nothing too fancy. I want it to be nice but not too nice where I don't want to drive it. I'd love to daily it once I get it finished. I was going to get an actual unit, but I've got a massive budget, a small budget, so this container's going to do, so thank God it's a Mini and nothing else. So yeah, this is the first video of this journey, let's call it. Hope you like it, and I hope you follow along, like and subscribe. Right, so it's like day 2 at the unit now. I'm going to do the floor, build some units, build some lights. Well, the roof lights anyway, we're going to try, but they're from Temu, so that probably won't go very well. And I'll just put it on a time lapse and you'll watch. So it's pretty much done. We've laid the floor in, put the shelving unit up. Might be able to see Isaac in the background there finishing off. So here it is. Got them built. Mini's looking just as good as ever. Crazy cinematics because I'm sick like that. Here's the floor. It's like a plastic rubber. What would you say, Isaac? Just plastic rubber?
Like, yeah, industrial rubber kind of thing.
Yeah. It's kind of nice.
You have to chuck a link in the comments.
Yeah, we'll do. Oh, I think it's made by Tougher Man. And this is just a little cheap Halfords shelving rack. And this big thing, which I didn't show you guys yet, this is a massive solid metal workbench. I got it off some guy off Facebook Marketplace. And this little thing that Isaac's using now is a little fucking £20 trolley off Temu. Can't go wrong with that. How do you feel about putting a floor in today, Isaac?
Well, it's been hard graft, but I think we've done a good job.
Built the roof lights, as you can see down there. Oh. Isaac's wiring them in. I've just put all the adhesive on every single joint, and then we're going to somehow, hopefully, stick it to the roof, which you'll probably watch, so enjoy. Right, so we're just wiring the lights, or Isaac has wired in the lights. It's super ghetto. There's like stuff at the bottom. Ugh. We ain't got a soldering gun, so we've just taped them together. And we're gonna try them. We don't know if there's a switch to them or what, but I'm gonna plug it in and run away. That's so sick. Oh, nice. Mate. Should do the fucking...
It doesn't look as good on video.
Yeah, that looks sick, doesn't it?
For those watching, it looks a lot better in person.
Does it look crap on video? Yeah.
No, it doesn't look crap, but it doesn't do it justice either.
Right. We've battled and failed miserably-ish. It's like not on the roof, as you can see. The sticky adhesive didn't work, but we're going to cheat and do it anyway. Damn. Whoa, man! That looks sick. So yeah, it's still not on the roof. We need to figure out, hang on, let me put it on my chops. Need to figure out how we're going to do that. But it looks kind of cool. Oh yeah, look at that, mate.
Sick.
I would say proper job, but
It's definitely not.
it's not a proper job, is it? Yeah. I'm going to leave it here, I think, for this video, as I said before, because I'm just going to fix it and then show you when it's done. So this will be it for this video, because I think it's going to be long, so goodbye.